every right to be happy. When I lost the good love I found, she swore that she'd leave and she left me before my first tear hit the ground. Now she's gone, 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 gone. Crying back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Well, if I only knew where to find her, I would crawl back on my hands and knees. Each day comes the clocks will remind me she's 1 second farther from me. Now she's gone, 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 crying won't bring her back. Faster the train flies, farther on down the track. And she's gone, 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 crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Well, the more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track.
All right. Well, we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner. Past few weeks we had like some computer stuff. We didn't do a show last week. We did a rerun. Kim, is everything working decent this week? All right, I got a 2 thumbs up on that one, not just 1. Dan, bring that face up. You did already? Good, thank you. See, we think alike. So we have Tom Paul Wilson with us tonight. You don't come around too much anymore, Paul. Or Tom, I mean.
I can't keep up with you guys,
Come
man.
on, man. Come on more often. Play with us.
It's weird. I'm loving it too.
Hey, tell them about the 19th of August. What
On
are we
February
doing?
19th, me and some of the boys.
February.
Yeah, February. You got 2 months to make your plans. I think that's
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
Got it? Good. Get your hand up.
Got it? On February 19th, which is a Thursday, got a lot of time. We're going to be playing at the Autry. And I said once, I told someone the Autry, and they said, the Opry? I said, no, even better, we're playing the Autry. And it's a museum in Los Feliz, and, come on down.
Is that a Thursday night?
It's a Thursday night.
About 6:30 or something like that?
You know the details better than I do. Yeah, we did 2 sets on
Good.
6:30. We're out of there by 8:30. It's a gathering that the Autry does that they let people come in, and I think they serve drinks and stuff, but people can actually go to the museum, check around the museum while the band's playing, and we're the only band playing, and so we're gonna have some fun, Carmen.
I'm gonna have fun, absolutely. I'm a little tired because I just flew in from Shreveport, Louisiana. I got here at 9:45 this morning, and then we're doing this, so I'm a little out of it. But we're gonna have some fun. I was there with James Burton that did one of his guitar benefit shows.
You know, I know this is kind of a dumb question, but real quick, can you just, because maybe some people don't quite know who James is, can you just say who he is?
Well, those of you who don't know,
I'm sure they're not many.
he's especially in the business. He's a well-known, respected guitar player that many years ago found a way of playing that you probably don't listen to a blues, or rock, or country guitar player that's not doing something that James did first.
So,
I don't care who they are.
yeah, he's top of the mountain.
I mean, he paved the road that was so wide and straight that we couldn't all help but get on it. Right, Paul?
Very well said.
I mean, yeah, you can't get away from that road he paved. I don't care what you do, it's got Burton in it somewhere.
Yeah.
And later on, I'll explain what he did that was just incredible, I thought, the way he pulled that off. And he's a great guy.
What was that redneck he used to play with?
Oh, he played with everybody from Ricky Nelson. He was on the Ricky Nelson TV show back in the 50s.
Talking about Elvis, boy.
Well, Elvis came way later. I mean, Elvis is great. I love Elvis, of course. But James had the road paved. He was already done by the time I met Elvis. Elvis was over here paving his own, knocking walls down and bringing this rock and roll thing in. And Burton was doing the guitar thing, and they were like parallel, But James worked with Emmylou Harris and Ricky Nelson, and oh God, everybody, Jerry Lee Lewis. You can go on and on and on. And then Elvis, the last 10 years of Elvis's life, he was Elvis's guitar player. And I went to Vegas. I got to see, actually, I saw 6 Elvis shows in my lifetime. One in 1969 when he just came back. And then later on in the 70s, I was playing up there with the Chaparral brothers. You remember them. And our shows were opposite each other. I was at the Sahara. When my show was done, I had about 30 minutes to get to the Hilton and watch Elvis. And because James and I were such good friends, I just got right in with it. I had so much fun that week. So, and Elvis was a cool cat. Good guy. James did an interview once, and he was talking about the band.
Who?
James did an interview with a guy, and they were talking about the Taking Care of Business band, CCB band,
Oh, yeah.
that James actually put together for Elvis.
Yeah.
And the guy says to him, well, that was a pretty good band, wasn't it? And instead of James complimenting the band, James says, well, we had a pretty good singer. And that kind of said it all, we're back at Elvis. That was great. Okay, we're going to do something else?
Sure.
We got the PA working?
We'll see.
We're going to find out. Paul, hit us one more time, and then I'll get Gary to do some stuff. And then you'll do it.
Full such as I.
Love that song.
In A.
Give A.
151. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Pardon me if I'm sentimental when we say goodbye. Don't be angry with me, should I cry? Though you're gone, yet I dream a little dream as years go by. Now and then there's a fool such as I. Now and then there's a fool such as I am. Oh, you taught me how to love, and now you say that we are through. I'm a fool, but I love you dear till the day I die. Now and then there's a fool such as I. as a fool such as I am over you. You taught me how to love and now you simply have you. I'm a fool, but I love you, dear, until the day I die. Now and then, there's a fool such as I. There's a fool such as I am over you. You taught me how to love and now you say that you are free. I'm a fool, no, I love you, dear, until the day I die. Now and then, there's a fool such as I.
Who did that song? I know Don McGinnis did it all.
That was Hank Snow.
Was it
Hank Snow song.
Fix a PA again. You're not allowed to try that. Just move, maybe the monitor, move it away from the mic. Pull the mic back. Oh, folks, I'm kind of really. So we're coming live to you from downtown Lacrosse Center. And Tom, you're gonna do a song?
Ready?
Let's go. I'm ready.
All right. It's gonna be. Let's start off.
That's my anthem.
I'm just gonna play it, and you guys know it.
All right.
You jump on in when you're ready. You know this song. Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark for me to see. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door. All right, Gary, play something. take this gun, put it in the ground. I can't shoot it anymore. The long dark cloud is coming down. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. 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 Come on, start up. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Here we go. Knocking on heaven's door. You guys are too good.
You'll be doing that one when?
You're doing that
February 19th
at the Autry Museum.
at the Gene Autry Museum.
Across from the zoo. Parking is easy.
Yeah, it's a good place.
It's a great place.
Bring
So-
the family.
Yeah, bring it. Absolutely.
Want to do one more? Go ahead, do another one.
Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I've been around for a long, long years. Sold many a man's soul and faith. I was around when Jesus Christ had his moments of doubt and pain. I made damn sure that Pilate washed his hands and sealed his fate. Please meet you. Guess my name. 'Cause what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. I stuck around St. Petersburg when I saw it was time for a change. I killed the Tsar and his ministers, and Anastasia screamed in pain. I rode the tank, I held the general's rank, when the blitzkrieg raged and the bodies stank. for 10 decades to the gods they made. I shouted out, who killed the Kennedys? When after all, it was you and me. So please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of a will and taste. I laid the traps for the troubadours who got killed before they reached. Oh man, pleased to meet you. Cause what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. That's but just as every cop is a criminal, and all the sinners are saints. As heads as tails, you call me Lucifer. I'm in need of some restraint. So if you need me, have some courtesy, have some sympathy, have some taste. Lose all your will or politeness, or I'll lay your soul to waste. Pleased to meet you. Puzzling you is the nature of my game.
Yeah, man, who did that song?
That was the Rolling Stones, and they loved country music. So
I know they do,
tip
absolutely.
my hat to 'em.
Gary, I don't even know what to say to that. I'm so tired. I'm just standing there. Hey, Gary, do a song.
Okay. I need to come up a little bit in radio. Yeah. I want everybody to imagine me wearing sunglasses. There you go. That's all I ask. Just pretend like I'm wearing sunglasses. Just call me Lonesome starts in the A, a G, a G. Let's wait for Dan to look it up. 1, 2, come on. Just call me lonesome, heartbroken this song. I ain't got no one since you been gone. You call me baby, I've got a new name. Don't need my
one.
Good job. So Friday, being in Shreveport on Friday night at 8 o'clock, they did the concert. Emmy Lou was fabulous.
Yeah.
Burton played with her. They did it really cool too because she came in at the end of the show. She was the headliner. She did about, I think, 4 or 5 songs. And so they had a curtain alongside the stage nobody really noticed. It was a black curtain, and James sit behind it in a chair. And Emmy came up with a beautiful J200. They opened that curtain, had a spotlight on James Burton, and then she introduced him, and they did some great songs together, like they did on that Elite Hotel album, which was really great. That was before Albert went with her, you know. I mean, she goes from James Burton to Albert Lee. I mean, God, talk about getting spoiled.
Not too shabby.
Yeah, not too awful, I gotta tell you. But we had a lot of fun. James is doing good. He played good. He did something really interesting at the end of the show. It was over, but he kept playing, and he was like just kind of doing little rhythm things and little stuff. And as people were filing out, about there had to be almost 1,000 people still, and they all walked up towards the stage, and he was surrounded by all these people. No bass, no drum, no nothing. And he was just doing little rhythm things and little chicken things and stuff, and the crowd went nuts. And they were all just watching him play. It was really a moment, I gotta tell you. So, who's up? Paul.
Okay. Let's do Nothing Cold as Ashes. After the fire
I
is
love
gone.
that song. What key?
G. Ready? That's a shuffle. In 2/4 shuffle. Love is when you find it, when you find no love at home, and there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire's gone. The bottle's almost empty. The clock just now struck 10. Darling, I had to call you to our favorite place again. I know it's long for us to meet, but the fire's gone out at home, and there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. Love is where you find it, when you find no love at home, and there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. Your lips so warm and tender, and your arms hold me just right. Sweet words of love you remember, that the one at home forgot. Each time we say it's the last time, but keep on keeping on, and there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone.
something like that. Hey, Brandon. My grandson Brandon's out there. Carmine's Country Corner, we do this every week. We have a lot of fun. Last week we didn't do it because we had computer problems. I had to go on the road to Shreveport, and Kim fixed it when I was out of town. Thank you, Kim. You did a great job. Everything's working?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, see? I left it in good hands. So we're having a lot of fun. Tom, you want to do another one?
E minor. E minor, D, G, and you never know that C. On a long, lonesome highway east of Omaha, you can listen to the engines rolling out as one long song. You think about a woman or a girl you knew the night before. Your thoughts will soon be wandering the way they always do. When you're riding 16 hours, there's nothing left to do. You don't feel much like riding, just wish your trip was through. I am on the road again. I am on the stage. I go like a star again. I Alright, here we go. You walk into a restaurant, you're strung out from the road. You feel the eyes upon you as you're shaking off the cold. You pretend it doesn't bother you, but you just want to explode. And most times you can't hear him talk, but other times you can. All the same old cliches. Is that a woman or a man? Always seem outnumbered, so you don't dare make a stand. I am on the road again. Yeah, I am up on the stage. I go playing the star again. last cigarette. Remember what you said. Later in the evening, as you lie awake in bed, the echoes of the amplifiers ringing in your head. You smoked the day's last cigarette. Remember what she said. On the road again. Here I am. I'm on the stage. Here I go. Playing the star again. Here I go.
Good song. How much time we got?
15 minutes or
How much?
How many? I don't know. 15, 14, 13 minutes.
That's okay. I've got time. Oh, Paul, hit us. 2 or 3 more.
Let's do that Dark Hollow song.
Oh, let's do it.
Key of A. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be in some big city in a small room with a girl on mine. Oh, your whistle freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be here alone, knowing that you're gone would cause me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to see another man's darling and to know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going Well, we're here at Carmine's Country Corner, Carmine's Country Corner in beautiful La Crescenta.
Doing this over how many years, Paul? We've been doing this.
Five
Oh,
years?
5, yeah.
5 years?
Last May was 5,
Yeah.
so it's almost 5.5 years.
That's not bad for a country music show.
And we're making a boatload of money.
Boy, big, big.
Anyway. I think we're just gonna, let's stand here for a minute and just stare at the audience out there.
Yeah, let's do that for a second.
Hold on for me, G.
There you go, thanks for saving me.
Two, one. Everybody going out, having fun. I'm good, yeah, having none. Can't get over how she set me free. Oh, lonesome me. The mistake I know I made, hanging round. I know that I just be living now, paying the town. All of everything made it easy. Oh, lonesome me. I bet she's not like me. Proud fancy fool. Flirting with the boys with all their charm. Well, I still love her so. Brother, don't you know? I welcome her right back here in my arms. Well, it must be somewhere you lose, lonely blue. Get up at the fence and find somebody new. Thought of everything made it easy. Oh, lonesome me, oh, don't be afraid. Well, I bet she's not like me. She's out of fancy fruit. Flirting with boys with all their charm. Well, I still love her so. And brother, don't you know? I welcome her right back here in my arms. But it must be somewhere I can lose, lonesome blue. Get up at the fence and find somebody new. All of everything made it Chris Ross on those drums, also known as Chris Ross. Mistaken for the other Chris Ross.
Tight endings provided by Chris Ross. I love that. What are you saying? We're over?
It's 7.
It's 7 right now? Well, let's do one more.
No.
Encore.
One more, yeah. I'm having too much fun.
So done?
Let's just start at midnight. Don't worry about it.
Tom closing it out, boy.
Let's go at 3 in the morning.
Quick, I got one minute.
Oh, what do you think? One more quick.
Let's do,
Jambalaya.
sure, let's do John Malone. That's what I was gonna say.
What key you got?
I didn't see. Yeah, see.
Here, see, folks. Hey, we're going after this song. We'll see you next week, 6 o'clock. Don't be late. I'll try to be a little more awake. But I did have a good time playing tonight.
Coming in on 5. Ba, 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 ba. 1, 2, 1.
Go back home, me gotta go, me now. Me gotta go, hold the pillow down the bow. My dog, sweet one, me now. Someday we're gonna have it fun on the bow. Yeah, time to crawfish pie, feel it don't know. For tonight, I'm gonna see my Michelle Neal. Pick guitar, fill the jar, and begin. Someday we're gonna have it fun on the bow. Go from the old place is buzzing. Kinfolk come to see, gone by the dozen. Western style, go how wild me and mine. Summer's gonna have it fun on the bayou. Red wine, crawfish pie, really don't know. For tonight I'm gonna see my Michelle's a meal.
Thank